Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal Products and Bengal Pro Exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. Here we have Bengal Flea and Tick Fogger Plus. It's a no-mess dry fogger that kills numerous insects including fleas, ticks, ants, spiders, centipedes, wasps, hornets, and much more. This fogger also contains an insect growth regulator, which will aid and continuously protect against fleas for 12 weeks by breaking their life cycle. Using the fogger is simple, but there are some safety measures before you begin. Make sure to turn off all the pilot lights and other open flames or running electrical appliances. And remove any pets and cover all food prep surfaces in the area you will be treating. The fogger should be placed on the floor in the middle of the room and placed on top of something like a newspaper or magazine. Double check that the fogger is set in an upright position. To start fogging, press down on the actuator tab to lock it into place. Then be sure to leave the area for at least 2 hours with all doors and windows closed. Upon returning, open all windows, vents, and doors for an additional 2 hours. There you have it. Now you know how to do some DIY pest control with Bengal products.